So we started working with Uzair several months ago. We had a issue with structure of how we were actually implementing our agency when it came to Google Ads, and Uzair came recommended, very highly recommended from several other colleagues of mine. And actually, once we were referred to him, I actually started seeing him everywhere because he ranks for practically everything Google Ads online. So that definitely was a help in getting us to work with him. And since working with Uzair, we've definitely seen some pretty big improvements in how we structure our company, and it's made things a lot easier, run a lot more smoothly, and so far, at least, I'm definitely seeing a huge amount of value in working with Uzair.
Yeah, I would say honestly, since working with Uzair, we've trimmed off at about easily 50 to 70% of onboarding a new client. That's what I'm in charge of at Marketing 32, is onboarding new clients. And before, we had several systems that we kind of hodgepodge together. There was a lot of inefficiencies within our systems. And I know Jeff would like, are you done onboarding the client? I'm like, no, I need a little more time. And it would set me behind schedule with my other maintenance tasks that I needed to get done. And once I started working with Uzair and we started building some new processes and new systems, Uzair saw everything that we were doing and pinpointed and customized his approach to our situation to make it make sense for us individually, not just any kind of agency out there. And I think that was probably the biggest value that we saw, is customizing the approach, seeing what we did, and then modifying it to make the greatest impact in our into our practice.
For sure.